Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue with our works on differentiation, but our mind should be centered on the product rule of differentiation. And for you to understand what we mean by product rule, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. This gives you notification whenever I upload a new content. Now, if you take a look at the first function here, you can see that x squared is multiplying 2x cubed minus 5. That is product. If you take a look at the second function here, you see that the first bracket is multiplying the second bracket. That is C product for you. So whenever you experience something like this that looks like if one term is multiplying the other, you must embrace product rule. Okay, so let us start with the first question, where we have that y is equal to x squared into 2x cubed minus 5. Just let your v be equal to the first term, which is x squared, and let your u be equal to the second term, which is 2x cubed minus 5, as you can see here. Now, the derivative of v with respect to x, which is the v over the x, will just give us 2 will come to the back, which I have 2x 2 minus 1 from the formula of differentiation, and that will give us just 2x. Then let us get du with respect to x, this particular expression. Now 2 is already here, 3 comes to the back, so 2 is times 3, x 3 minus 1 minus 0. Any constant to differentiate is 0. So our du dx will just give us 6x squared, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Now remember that the y dx for product rule is just v du over the x plus u dv all over the x. Hence, required dy dx will give us v. Our v is x squared, so you write x squared multiplying du dx. Our du dx is just 6x squared, so have 6x squared plus u. Our u is 2x cubed minus 5. We get the v dx. The v dx gave us just 2x, so write 2x here. And dy dx is just open the bracket. This is 6x to the power of 4 plus 2x times 2x cubed is 4x to the power of 4, because the power here is just like 1, and 2x times minus 5 is just minus 10x. Now the y dx, which is what we are looking for, the power are the same thing, you are free to add, so this is just 10x power of 4 minus 10x. Now since 10 is common and x is common, you can factor it out. Here it's okay. So dy dx is just 10x into I'll have x cubed minus 1, because when I open the bracket I will get back this. This is just the product derivative of the first function here. So let's go for the second one. So for the second function here, I can just say let my v be 3x plus 5 and my u be 4x squared minus 3x. Now the v dx will just give me 3. When I differentiate this, just 3. Now the u dx will give me 4 times 2. 2 come down is 8, so I have just 8x minus 3, because if I differentiate 3x, I'll just get 3. Now remember that dy dx is v du over dx plus u dv all over dx. So my dy dx is now v. My v is 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5, multiplying du dx. My du dx is 8x minus 3 plus u. My u is 4x cubed, 4x squared minus 3x, multiplying dv dx, and my dv dx is just 3. So I'll continue from here. So my dy dx will just be 3x times 8x is 24x squared. 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. 5 times 8x will give me plus 40x And 5 times minus 5 is minus 15. That is 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Plus 3 times 4x squared is 12x squared. And 3 times minus 3x is minus 9x. Okay, now dy dx collecting like terms will give me 24x squared plus 12x squared is 36x squared. Minus 9x plus 40x is 31x. Minus 9x is just 22x plus 22x, then minus 15. And there is nothing that could be done about this again, and that becomes the answer. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you.